hustler. You've got to hustle. There ain't no time for sleep. Just keep on moving. Do what you're doing. You always play for keeps. Ain't backing down, no, we're going big. Ain't stopping now, we get after it. Get after it. Get after it. Light that fire. Get after it. Light that fire.
God, I'm already over 20. Saan at kailan ko ba makita ang the right one?
Ipikit mo na ang iyong mga mata. Iwanan mo na ang lahat ng iyong kaba. Andito na ako, huwag ka nang mangamba. Tibok ng ating puso, kasabay ng musika.
Ang hard to get na crush ko noon sa trabaho, ngayon forever ko na. Thank you for giving your heart to me and trusting me with yours. You are my first, my only one true love, and you will be my last.
It was college days nung parang inisip ko yun na if someone will give me infinity, anything na infinity sign, he'll be the one that I will marry. Oh, it's my birthday na he gave me a necklace with the pendant ng infinity. So, ayun.
Mga bulong ng hangin nasa akin dumadampi, kasabay ng iyong tinig nasa akin bumabaliw.
Epoy, you're the most responsible man I ever know. Someone I'm confident to see my future with, and a father that every child could ever wish for. And I will be forever grateful for your life.
We started last 2016 sa first BPO ko sa Dasma.
Hindi pa masyadong close noon, pero out of the blue, at nakainom siya sa coffee ko. And doon na nag-start yung, let's say, smooth relationship namin as, first of course, as a friend.
Actually, we doesn't have any exact date kailan naging kami. Ano na lang yun, bigla na lang nangyari yun na we fell in love with each other, and then with no specific date, wala kaming anniversary, mansary and such. It's just happened. Ganun.
Ang haharapin nyo ay hindi nang katulad ng dati na kung ilang taong kayong engaged, nagnobyo o magnobya, lagi kayong masaya, di ba? Parang ayaw na matapos ang araw nyo, ayaw na magkahiwalay. Pero pagdating ng tinatawag na married life o marriage life, iba na yung tatahakin nyo, ibang level. Ang isang lalaki sa babae na talagang nakakilala sa Panginoon, hanggang sa dumating ating Panginoong Sus, ano man yung sasapitin nyo, mga hirap o mga kalungkutan, pagtitiisan nyo yun. Hindi kayo iwanan ng Panginoon kasi siya ang magtatayo ng pamilya nyo.
Nakita ko yung sarili ko sa kanya. Kasi I have a very strong personality kasi siguro I'm the eldest. And siya being an only child na super independent.
Siya siguro si Wonder Woman and I'm the guy. I'm the partner that, sometimes depend on her. And at times na hindi ko kaya, I think gano'n naman taga-adapt ng relationship. She's really unique.
So parang I feel like secured na I'll be with him kasi nga he's so responsible eh. So I know parang ano yun eh, he's someone I'm confident to see my future with. Yun, ganun siya.